Hello everyone, in this lesson we are going to discuss about exported names. In Golang, a name is exported if it's begin with a capital letter. Exported names are accessible from outside its own package. For example, if we are going to import FMT package, commonly used function of that FMT package is println, as shown here. Println function's first letter is capitalized. Because of that, that function can be accessed from outside its own package. If it was a simple letter, we can't access that function. When importing a package, we can refer only its exported names. Any unexported names are not accessible from outside the package. That's it about the exported names. See you guys in the next lesson. Bye.